Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to install YouTube app. Method 1. Go to this apps tab, go down, select this search field. Here we need to type YouTube. Okay, then search. Select this YouTube icon. Here you can see install button. Select it. See, this way we can install YouTube. Let me cancel this. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to home screen. Go to settings. Set apps. Go to see all apps. Go down. Set show system apps. Then go down. From this system apps we need to select Google Play Store. So let me select Google Play Store. Select open. Now we are inside Google Play Store. Go to top, set this search field, and here we need to type YouTube. So let me type YouTube. Then set YouTube. Select this more info. Here you can see install button. Select it. See, this is a method 2. These are the two methods to install YouTube. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. From here you can open YouTube, or you can go to home screen, go to apps tab, go down, go to your apps section, go to right side. From here also you can open YouTube app. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.